Hi! In this video, I will show you how to make a playlist on YouTube. Go to youtube.com and log into your account. Click on your channel. As you can see here, I have only one uploaded video, and I have no playlist yet. Playlist is like an album wherein you can sort out your video depending on its topic or activities. To add a playlist, click on Manage Video and click on Playlist and go to New Playlist. In here, you can add title and description to your playlist. You can also choose if you want it public, private, and unlisted. I'll choose public and click on Create. The playlist that we made will now appear on the playlist section. To add a video on the playlist, go to Video and check the box and click Add to Playlist. And automatically the playlist that we made earlier will appear. Check, click Save. Go check your channel if the playlist appears. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!